Today, I'm gonna share 10 effective treatments for hair loss and thinning hair in both men and women. With these methods, you might even see your hair start growing back. All the methods I'm about to share are backed by science, and their benefits have been proven. Unlike many natural or synthetic products you see advertised every day, which might have no scientific basis and could be completely ineffective, there are tons of products out there claiming to stop hair loss, shampoos, lotions, pills, and more. But which ones actually work? Which ones can you really trust? We've put together a list of 10 natural treatments for hair loss, all backed by scientific research from over the years. And the best part? These methods truly work, whether you're trying to regrow lost hair or make thinning areas look fuller and thicker. So make sure to stick around till the end of the video. I'll be counting down from number 10 to number 1, and the closer we get to number 1, the more effective the treatments become. All of these treatments are completely natural, with no side effects, just benefits. Number 10, Scalp Massage. Gently massaging your scalp in circular motions with the right amount of pressure can boost blood flow to your hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. You should do this at least twice a day. It strengthens your hair and makes it thicker, especially if your hair is weak due to nutritional deficiencies. Taking supplements like biotin, collagen, vitamin C, and zinc along with massaging your scalp twice a day can help restore your hair to its natural state within 3 to 6 months. It strengthens your hair and even turns thin strands into thicker, healthier ones. On top of that, scalp massage helps reduce stress and anxiety, leaving you feeling relaxed and refreshed. Number 9, Aloe Vera. Fresh aloe vera gel from the plant has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce scalp inflammation, especially for those dealing with dandruff, itchiness, or flaky scalp. Studies have also shown that aloe vera extract boosts blood circulation, improves oxygen supply, and helps nourish hair follicles more effectively. To use aloe vera for thicker hair, cut a healthy leaf from the plant and remove the skin from one side. Scoop out the fresh gel with a spoon and apply it directly to your scalp. Then, gently massage it in circular motions. Leave it on for about an hour, then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. For the best results, do this twice a week for 6 months, and you'll be amazed by the improvement in your hair. Number 8, Ginseng. Taking ginseng or its supplements can help boost hair growth by stimulating hair follicles and blocking the formation of DHT hormone. Ginseng is a unique plant with fleshy roots, and the Asian variety is the best since it contains the most active ingredients for promoting hair growth. Number 7, Coconut Oil. Coconut oil contains several types of fatty acids, but studies haven't proven that it actually helps with hair growth or regrowth. But coconut oil is a great natural conditioner that adds shine to your hair, especially if you have dry hair. Unlike chemical-based conditioners, it doesn't cause any damage. It also protects your hair by coating the strands and preventing breakage. Mixing lemon with coconut oil can make your hair look incredibly shiny and beautiful. Number 6, Onion Juice. Research has shown that onion juice can successfully treat patchy baldness. In a 2002 study on 38 patients, its significant benefits for hair growth were proven. However, its effect on androgenic hair loss hasn't been scientifically proven. Number 5, Garlic. Similar to onion, a 2007 study examined garlic's effects on hair. It showed that applying garlic paste along with betamethasone valerate cream on bald spots could help regrow hair. Garlic is packed with minerals and vitamins, making it a popular home remedy for hair loss, with no known side effects. Number 4, Viviscal. Viviscal is an oral supplement packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids to help with thinning hair. Its key ingredient is a special complex that includes shark cartilage and powdered mollusk extract. Multiple studies have confirmed Viviscal's effectiveness for hair growth. Using Viviscal along with minoxidil can help regrow hair. Number 3, Biotin. Biotin is an oral supplement that plays a key role in hair health. When combined with collagen or biotin-rich foods and used alongside treatments like minoxidil, it can be highly effective for hair regrowth. Number 2, Rosemary. Rosemary boosts blood circulation in the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and stimulating regrowth. Research has shown that rosemary oil works similarly to minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, but without side effects like itching or dandruff. Number 1. Licorice. Licorice helps open up pores and strengthens fragile hair follicles. It has anti-androgenic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, making it beneficial for hair health. All 10 of these methods have been extensively researched and proven to be effective for hair health. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on medical and health topics. And if you know someone struggling with hair issues, make sure to share this video with them. We have plenty more videos on hair care and treatments coming your way. Thanks again for sticking with us until the end.